Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we are going to explore that what is the use of MaterialApp Widget and why it is important for our Flutter applications. So when we start a new Flutter project, it provides a default application. So as you can see on my screen, this is our default application when you run it. Okay. So this demo application, it is for users to get started easily. It helps the users to know basic syntax about the application to be built. So let me show you the quick pic. In this application, the number 0 increments its value when the user presses the plus icon, which is also known as floating action button, located at the bottom right corner. Okay, now our main target is to learn about the MaterialApp. So before getting started with our MaterialApp widget, first we need to remove this unrequired code. Okay, so first remove this complete class my homepage from here. Okay, till end, just delete it. Now over here, these are the same things that I have explained you previously. Okay, that what is the use of Flutter run and how to hot reload and hot restart. So just delete this comment section as well, and here we have to remove this my homepage. It is showing you error because we have deleted it, so there is no class existing with such name. Okay, so for current use we are deleting it. Now the MaterialApp is a predefined class used in the Flutter. It contains widgets that are used for material design of an application. Okay, so first property that is used, that we are going to change the theme of our application. Okay, so here as you can see, we are having this theme attribute, and over here the theme data is primary swatch color is blue. Okay, so if you want to change this particular blue item to some other primary color, okay, so it will change it. Okay, primary swatch means the main color or the main color for your particular app theme that you want. Okay, after this we would like to change the brightness. Okay, so simply change it to dark. And now we will just hot reload it, because I have run my application from command line using the Flutter run command. All I have to do is type the small r and it will perform the hot reload. So as you can see that my screen is currently blank right now. Okay, because I have removed my home attribute. Okay, so it is only showing me the MaterialApp. And let me add this home attribute as well and add a scaffold widget. Okay, with an app bar. We will get to know what is scaffold as well. Okay, but for right now I would just like to say that scaffold is another widget which implements the basic material design visual layout structure for our Flutter application. This class will provide you various APIs like adding app bar, navigation drawer, snack bar, bottom sheets, and etc. Okay, you can simply format your code by using Ctrl Alt and L button. Okay, now again just hot reload it. So now you can see why MaterialApp is important, because without MaterialApp we can't use scaffold. Now if you switch your apps, okay, you can see the text of app example. Now here we have earlier seen the theme attribute. Okay, now again let us just change our theme, or you can say the darkness. We'll make it dark, as well as now here you can see a banner named debug. Okay, so the MaterialApp widget also provides this property of debug show checked mode banner. Okay, it is simply used to add or remove this small debug banner at the top right corner of our application. Okay, so all you have to write debug, click on it and make it false. Okay, and now we will hot reload it. So by this time our theme has been changed, our brightness has been changed to dark, and as well as our banner has been gone. Okay, you can make it to light. And now let me tell you the use of this home property as well, that this property defines the starting point of our application. It provides the default route unless the initial route is specified. Okay, so that's why here we have given the scaffold. Now you can explore MaterialApp Widget by just pressing Ctrl space. Okay, here you can change the theme mode. Okay, here we are having the actions. You can also define the dark theme, color, high contrast dark themes, etc. and initial route, locale and etc. Okay, we will see how to use this route and theme datas, okay, in our later videos. So for now, I hope you have got the idea that what is MaterialApp Widget, what it is purpose. So in our next video, we are going to get started with scaffold widget. So till then, keep practicing and see you soon in the next video.